Nako. Hear me clearly? Okay. Welcome to our introduction to Forex trading and cheat codes. All right. Clear, clear. All right. So, I'm Nars Paraguya, by the way. I'm 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. So, kaway-kaway yung mga Bisaya dyan. I graduated at Ateneo de Cagayan. 10 years na po ako sa digital business. Ibig sabihin, ito lang yung trabaho ko na nasa internet lang or kahit saan pwede ako business. So I also have a traditional business which is I own a mountain resort here in our place. I'm also a licensed financial consultant and I started Forex trading since 2017. So medyo matagal na. And then I founded a community, Pinoy Traders Community, and then eventually I was so amazed kasi maraming mga OFW, mga kababayan natin na nag-join. And I'm so amazed with the OFW because they are so responsive and maraming nagkaresulta sa kanila. Just like yung dalawang in-interview ko a while ago before we start. Yung isa dyan sa KSA at then yung isa sa UAE or Dubai. So, nag-create ako ng Kabayan Traders Community to make a special support dun sa mga FW na gustong matuto sa forex trading, gustong kumita aside hustle at dumating yung time na pwedeng make for good kasi meron na silang business gamit lang ang cellphone nila. Yes, you heard it right. Ang forex trading po is a kind of business na pwedeng mong gawin na nasa cellphone lang. In fact, papakita ko sa'yo itong cellphone ko na tinitrade ko. Dito lang ako guys, kahit saan. Basta may internet, may cellphone, I can do that. Yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo. Or of course, mayroon pa mga process after this one. Hindi naman nyo kailangan maintindihan lahat. Ang goal lang natin dito is somehow you will understand how to start and how to start fast in forex trading. Alright? Fair enough? Okay. So why I'm doing this one? This is me and my family. I'm a father of 2 children. It shows here that I'm a very family oriented. So very close kami sa family ko. Kasi ginagawa ko ito because I want to have a quality life. Para po sa akin, ang quality life is may time ako sa loved ones ko, sa family ko, and also may budget din ako para sa kanila. Okay, sige nga. Check muna tayo if you're active right now. Who wants to have a quality life with your family? Can you type WL? WL. Tama ba? Quality life. WL QL. QL rather. QL. Kasi wag LQ kasi iba yung meaning ng LQ. Thank you. You're very responsive. You're amazing tonight, guys. You're so amazing. Quality life ito yung dahilan bakit ko yung ginagawa kasi I want to have a quality life with my family. So Mami, okay ka lang dyan? So, I'm doing a webinar. Okay. So, disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investment. Okay. So, kung may nakita kayo from our community, or from me itself na pangalan ko, Nars Paraguya, na sinasabi, hi, would you like to invest with my trade? Ganyan, that's not me. Okay? So kung may nalaman kayo sa community, sa mga GCs natin, group chats na magme-message sa inyo na hello po, please, you can invest with us. Please report to me immediately kasi that's not our culture. Okay. Anong ibig kong sabihin? We do not accept any investment. Dito po, ang ginagawa natin dito is tinuturo natin dito para hindi kayo ma-scam. Tama? And eventually, most of the scam in forex trading, yung binibigay natin yung pera sa iba and we're expecting na ibabalik sa atin and then eventually, hindi bumalik sa atin. Copy? Okay. Now, it's okay with me. I'm so used with this one na marami talaga. 70% na nag-join sa community na dumaan sa pagiging scam. Guys, ako rin when I started forex trading, dumaan din ako sa pag-scam. 2017 when I started forex trading, nag-invest po ako sa kaibigan or kaibigan ng kaibigan, shall I say, na 200,000 hanggang hindi bumalik yung pera ko. Kaya, uulitin ko, wag na wag kayong mag-invest ng pera nyo sa iba. Bro, anong ginagawa natin dito? Bakit tayo nagwe-webinar about forex trading? What we do is we teach you how to trade na kahit baguhan, kahit newbie, kahit zero knowledge in forex trading, because of our cheat codes, we call cheat codes, pwede kang mag-start ng forex trading sa madaling paraan. Na to be honest, forex trading is not an easy game. Copy? Is it fair? So, no investment. Okay? And also, I suggest that forex is a high risk, high reward business model. It's not for everyone. Newbies are welcome. 90% of our community are newbies. So for tonight, we'll talk about basic in forex trading and cheat codes in forex trading. Sino nandito yung hindi pa talaga nakapag-start ng forex trading? Very honest with yourselves. Can you type number 1? So alam ko kung sino yung audience ko. And sino dito nakapag-try na ng forex trading? Meron ng broker, meron ng MT4, MT5. Can you drop number 2 in the chat box? So that I know kung ano yung audience ko, and then I will make my language as simple as I can to understand, or as simplest terms I understand, kung marami talagang newbie at marami talagang number 1. Don't worry, sa nag-answer ng number 2, the part 2 guys, cheat codes, and this is for you para magkaroon ng high quality trades or magkaroon ka ng high win rate trades. Okay? So tuturo namin sa inyo. Alright? So, forex is risky. What do you think? Is it risky or not? Yes, it is risky. So, ulitin ko, this business model is not for everyone. But I would like you to congratulate for coming here kasi you are willing to explore. Risky naman. Bakit natin papasukin yan? Because of the reward in forex trading. Okay. Ganito. Sasang-ayon ba kayo sa akin na ang pagiging isang OFW, iiwan yung pamilya ng ilang buwan, yung iba taon-taon, pupunta sa lugar na hindi mo alam? Sang-ayon ba kayo na isa yung malaking risk? Can you type yes if it is? You sang-ayon ka na malaking risk yan. Risk. Yes. Thank you for being so honest. Now, my next question. Bakit niyo ito ginagawa? Risky naman. Because of the reward. Because you see na pwede mong kitain ng hindi mo makikita sa Pilipinas. Times 5, times 10 yung pwede mong kitain. So kaya nag-risk ho kayo ng buhay. And ganun din sa forex trading. In reality, hindi lang forex yung risky, lahat ng business po may kasamang risk. Tama ho ba? So for tonight, what I want you to focus is tingnan nyo muna ano yung reward na makukuha nyo. Wala pa namang risk na nangyayari sa atin kasi hindi pa kayo nag-start, hindi pa kayo nag-capital. So no risk involved. Tingnan mo muna yung reward, tingnan nyo muna yung business model. If you think that ito is malaking tulong ito para makapag-start ka ng business mo hanggang nandyan ka, para makapag-start ka ng another side hustle mo hanggang nandyan ka, para makapag-start ka to earn money hanggang nandyan ka, tingnan mo muna. Now, if you like this one, please stay into the end kasi magbibigay ako ng instructions paano ka magsimula. Okay? Paano ka magsimula. So, Family Hope, it's kind of training, but it's not really, it's more on basic, like introductory to forex trading and cheat codes. And we have a separate webinar for trainings actually. Okay? So, also, and if please be honest to yourself that if you think that this is not for you, then it's okay. Feel free to leave the opportunity kasi I understand naman talaga that this is not everyone. This is only for those risk taker nakikita nila that the reward is greater than the risk. Okay, fair enough. Fair? Fair? Okay. So I'll continue. Okay. Bakit ho forex trading? Okay. Isang advantage ng forex trading because it's a digital business. Ibig sabihin yan, pwede kang magnegosyo habang may internet, may cellphone ka, pwede kang magnegosyo. During your break hour, During your vacant time, during your free time, pwede kang mag-business using your internet. And it's a flexible lifestyle. Ano yung sabihin? Busy ka? Yes, everyone is busy. Nagta-travel ka? Pwede. Nasa Pilipinas ka? Pwede. Nasa Dubai ka? Pwede. Nasa Canada ka? Pwede. Because Forex is international market. Ulitin ko, international market yung involved. Okay. Now, another good news is that low startup capital. You don't need the malaking capital. I know marami kayong pera. I know. Pero if you are going to be part of my community, my advice to you is that mag-start ka muna ng maliit. So magkano yung pwede mong i-start? Ito na sasabihin ko na. So most of you are asking. You can start as low as 100 USD as capital. Magkano yan? Around 5 pesos. Bakit maliit lang? Kasi nagsisibula ka pa lang. Pa-practice ka pa lang. Okay, mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. Eventually, kung marunong ka na and naging master mo na itong forex trading, you can earn as much as how much your salary. Yeah, well, I don't know what's your salary right now. Pero whether you believe it or not, may kumikita dito ng 100,000 in 1 week, may kumikita dito even 100,000 in 1 day. Yes, I know. Maraming nagda-doubt. Mamaya papakita ko yung screenshots ng mga results ng community data. Mayroon din medyo 100 USD, 200 USD. It's a side hustle lang naman. It's additional lang, pangdagdag. Para mamamaster mo ito, pwede kang mag-for good or meron kang additional income, pwede mo padala sa Pilipinas. And then no experience needed kasi this one is hindi ito inaral sa school. Wala to sa school. Though it's not a new business model, but hindi ito inaral. Kasi dati kasi mahirap talagang aralin ito. Ang kailangan mo lang dito is yung willingness to learn. Sino dito may willingness to learn? Can you drop number 1? Willingness. Kahit wala pa kayong capital, it's okay. Hindi naman actually problema yung capital. Yung willingness lang, yun lang yung kailangan natin. And by the way, wala tayong commitment. If you don't like, it's okay. I totally understand. Then if you like, we will work together. Okay. So that's the reason why, and that's the purpose of doing Forex trading. Okay, let me continue. What is Forex? Thank you for typing. Thank you. Thank you, M. Thank you, Maridel. Thank you for typing. Forex po, it's very simple. It's the word foreign exchange. Palitan ng pera. Do you do Forex trading? Yes, in a manual way. Kung galing ka sa Amerika o uwi ka sa Pilipinas, yes, pwede. So, sino ba dito nakapag-try na ng yung halimbawa yung currency mo? If you're from Canada, so Canadian dollar, pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, pinapalitan mo. Okay? Na-try mo na ba? Me, can you type me? Kung sino dito nakatry? I think lahat nakatry. Yung the reason why na i-exchange mo yung pera mo para magamit mo sa Pilipinas kasi hindi mo na mabili sa SM yung Canadian dollar or yung dirham, hindi naman mapalitan sa Pilipinas. Okay. So willing to learn. Thank you sa mga willing to learn. Okay? So now, itong forex trading is buy and sell ng currency. Palitan lang po ito. Okay? This is the biggest financial market in the world. Did you know that there are 6.7 trillions are being traded every day? To make it updated, they are already 7.5 trillions of dollars being traded every day. 7.5 every day. Trillions, not billions. Ito po yung pinakamalaking business sa buong mundo in a financial market. Okay? Hindi kasama dyan yung stock market. Hindi kasama dyan yung cryptocurrency. Hindi kasama dyan yung bond, yung market ng bond. Okay? And US Treasury. Not kasama. Okay. So because it's global, lahat nagpapalit ng pera because of internal transactions. And this is the most liquid. Ibig sabihin, take note guys, ibig sabihin, kung mayroon ka mang pera sa broker mo, which is you need a broker for you to trade, anytime, pwede mo siyang ma-withdraw. Anytime, pwede mo siyang ma-liquid. Halimbawa, mayroon kang 1 million. Anytime, pwede ma-withdraw. No question asked. Ulitin ko. Kung may napasukan ka man or nasalihan ka man na kunwari forex trading, but you can't withdraw it right away, that's a red flag. Ulitin ko. First red flag, kung humingi ng investment, red flag yan. Mag-invest ka sa amin, blah, 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 that's red flag. Copy? Second red flag, kapag ka hindi ma-withdraw. So pag hindi ma-withdraw, may himinging extra na kailangan ka mag-deposit ng blah, 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 that's not legit forex. Okay? Kasi legit forex po talaga ma-withdraw. Okay? May instant, may 2 days, may 3 days yung process, pero ma-withdraw mo. Now, with our broker, VT Market, instant ma-withdraw mo. Okay. So, it operates 24/5. Walang tulugan. But as Forex, walang trade on Saturday and Sunday. So, bakit lahat na ito pwede? Bakit digital? So, you can participate in Forex in your cellphone na. Kasi dati, kung gusto mong participate, punta ka sa Wall Street. Doon ka, and you need to be a millionaire or a genius to participate in forex trading. But not anymore because of digital platform. Pero mag-ingat din, mamaya sabi ko, ano yung legit na digital platform? Kasi may mga digital platform din na hindi legit at kino-clone nila. Okay? So, importante, tama yung ginagawa ninyo na nag-join ka para ma-educate ka. Okay? Sino nagtitrade? Governments, central banks, financial institutions, and tayo ang tawag sa atin, retail traders. Bangko, nagtitrade sila. So, it's not a question anymore. Okay. So, it's a business. So, business ho si forex trading. Pumapasok ka, business. So, kailangan mo kapital, kailangan mo aralin, kailangan there are things that you need to consider when building your own business. Okay. Sa bakit ka kumikita? Kumikita ka sa difference or margin or mga pagbabago yung presyo sa pag-akyat ng presyo at pagbaba ng presyo. Let's say for example, peso against dollar, before it's 50 pesos, ngayon naging 58 or ano ba yung conversion ngayon, 55. So, yung increase na yun yung kikitain mo. So that's how you earn. If the price goes down, bababa yung value, will you still make money? The answer is yes. Okay. Because forex trading is about buy and it's about sell. So you can make 2 different trades at the same time. So pwede kang mag-buy, pwede kang mag-sell. So kailan ka mag-buy, kailan ka mag-sell, or long possession, short possession for sell. Kailangan ka mag-buy. If you analyze or if you forecast or if you anticipate, look at the word, if you anticipate that the price will go up. So these are candlesticks and you think that the price is go up here, the price will go up here, mag-buy ka. And if you think that the price will go down, mag-sell ka. Okay, example. Guys, if you think that the price will go down, what kind of position ang gagawin mo? B for buy, S for sell in the chat box. Come on, let's make it interactive para at least alam ko nandyan kayo. Okay, S, thank you. S, ibig sabihin ng S is mag-sell ka because you think that the market go down. Thank you. So these are the major currencies. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, and then our community will also trade like index like US 30 or the Dow Jones. And we also trade like XAU USD, which is one of the most tradable asset na tinuturo natin. Okay. So things to consider in forex tradings are take profit and stop loss. Okay. Can you type TP? That means take profit, kumita ka na. Stop loss meaning to say may depensa ka. So paano ko yan ma-explain? I can explain here in the real chart. Okay. By the way, this chart is a screenshot from our AI scanner. So here, you think that the price will go up. Okay. So meron kang TP, meron kang target. Di ba kung mag-buy ka, ano yun? Ang price will go up. yung gusto mo mangyari kapag ka mag-buy ka, the price will go up or the price will go down. Can you type up or down kung gusto mo? So yung mag-buy ka, you anticipate that the price will go up. So since the price will go up, mayroon kang target na hanggang dito, pag umabot ng presyo dito, mag-TP ka na. Ibig sabihin, enough na, take home na ako, kumita na ako. Okay? Ang tawag dyan, it could be also your target. So pwede kang dalawang target, TP number 1 and TP number 2. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Now, with this scenario, dito ka pumasok, dito yung presyo, ito yung presyo, and then dahan-dahan umakyat yung presyo, na-hit yung target mo, nag-TP ka. That means, dalawang trade ginawa mo dito, ibig sabihin, kumita ka na. Congratulations. Cha-ching! Kumita na. Another, kumita ka na. Congratulations. Cha-ching! So what will happen? Right then and there, kapag kumita ka, pwede mo nang ma-withdraw ka agad kung gustuhin mo. That's a good thing. Now, let's look at the other side of the coin. Example, instead yung trajectory mo or trajectory mo is or your expectation mo, akyat. Paano kung bababa? So matatalo ka ngayon. So mangyari just, para may depensa ka sa capital mo or equity, o sa equity mo, kailangan ka maglagay ng stop loss. Kasi ang stop loss, magsasabi siya na hanggang dito lang yung i-risk ko. If I risk 1%, 5%, 10% hanggang dito lang. Pag mali yung direction ng market, stop loss na ako para hindi ka masunugan. Kaya may kanina may message siya na sunugan daw siya. Yun normally mangyayari. Mamaya isasabihin ko sa iyo para hindi ka masunugan. Yun yung purpose natin. Copy? Copy ba? Copy? Can you type copy or learning? Kung nakuha ba? Kung hindi makuha kagad, it's okay. Normal lang po yan. Kasi this is a little bit technical. Okay, copy. Thank you. Adni, learning, copy. Okay. Let me continue. Now, to understand the direction of the market, you need to know technical analysis. Okay, not yet. Thank you for being honest. Okay, you need to know technical analysis. So, ito na yung babasahin natin yung chart so that you will understand the probability of the direction of market. Kasi kung naintindihan mo, alam mo kung when to buy and when to sell. Our goal here, first, of course, to understand the whole thing. But to be profitable, alam mo kung ano yung direction ng market. Kasi, paano kung hindi mo alam? Tapos nagtitrade ka, pwede ba? Yes, pwede ba? Ang tawag dyan is hulalysis. Okay. Hulalysis. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng hulalysis? From the word hula, nanghuhula ka lang. Nanghuhula ka lang. And that's what happened to most of the newbies in forex trading. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung win rate dyan ng paghula na yan? Ang win rate mo is only 5%. It's bad. At least your goal is more than 50% para maging profitable ka. Okay? 5% usually, kaya maraming nag-start na hindi inaral at walang gamit na tools, kaya nagkaroon sila ng naghuhula na lang sila at hindi naging profitable yung trades nila. Copy? Sana hindi ikaw yan. Okay. So, market analysis composed of sentimental, technical, and fundamental. Anong ibig sabihin ng sentimental? Very simple. Kung maraming buyers pumapasok sa market, like kanina, New York opening sessions, ano yung ibig sabihin niyan? Bubukas yung merkado ng New York, yung stock market nila, yung mga bangko nila, so mapapasok yung investors. So the investors are buying or the investors are selling. So kung maraming buyers ng investor, tataas yung presyo. Kasi kahit mataas yung presyo, marami pa rin bumibili. So that's sentimental. Just like Christmas, kung uwi kayo sa Pilipinas, mahal yung ticket ang eroplano kasi maraming bumibili. Just like that. As simple as that. A technical analysis mamaya. Fundamental naman is very simple. May mga pangyayari sa isang bansa na ka-epekto ng ekonomiya nila or mga economic news. Okay. So, para hindi ka maguluhan, mayroon siyang tinatawag na economic calendar. Tingnan mo lang anong economic calendar. So, mayroon siya mga tinatawag na red. Pag red is high impact news. Kung hindi mo alam, pwedeng wag ka munang mag-trade to make it more safer. Kasi hindi pa alam kung paano siya i-interpret. So, yung tawag dyan, fundamentals. These are news-based that can trigger the market or the volatility and the volume of the market. Ibig sabihin, mas gumagalaw sila kung naka-red siya or high impact news. Pero kung hindi mo alam kung anong direction ng galawan ng market, huwag ka lang mag-trade. Okay. Now, technical analysis in the other side is like talagang i-analyze mo, babasahin mo yung technically yung chart or yung takbo ng merkado. So this involves candlesticks, okay, market structure, trend, indicators, patterns, support resistance, and etc. So ganito yan. So it will, hindi ito maaral ka agad, lalo na kung bago ka pala. Pero don't worry guys, may guide tayo. Patterns, ganyan. Kaya nga, ang iba, they think that Forex is complicated kasi hindi nila nakuha kaagad. Kasi the technical analysis itself is kind of complicated. Guys, honest evaluation. Do you think that Forex is complicated? Yes or no? Come on. Come on. I need you to be interactive. Okay, the more ka maging interactive kami, the more ka matuto. Kasi that means that you are engaging. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Guys, I'll tell you. I want to be transparent with you that Forex is more complicated than what you think. Mas complicated pa ito sa love life. Lalo na kung nasunugan ka. Yung kanina nasunugan daw siya. Meron tayong gagawin dyan para maiwasan yan. That's inevitable. Pero pwede siyang ma-avoid or ma-lessen yung percentage. Now, my question to you. Do you want an easier solution? Part 2 na tayo. Do you want an easier solution? Yes or yes? Okay. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng easier solution? Kung bago ka pa lang, yung process mo at learning curve sa forex trading na instead of 2 years, pwede natin gawing 3 months. Okay. Instead of 1 year, pwede natin gawing 2 months. Instead of 6 months, pwede natin gawing 1 month. Okay? So, depende. Ito tinatawag natin guys na cheat codes in forex trading. Okay. Before I share with you the cheat codes in forex trading, okay lang ba i-share ko sa inyo kung bakit ko ito natagpuan itong forex trading? Do I have your permission? Okay lang ba? Guys, 2017, I started forex trading. So medyo matagal na. Alam niyo ba, 2021, nag-stop ako sa forex trading. Kasi isang gabi, nasunugan ako ng 400k. Pesos lang naman ito. Pesos. Nasunugan, guys. Ibig sabihin, technically term na liquidate. Or para just to understand, natalo ako ng 400,000 pesos. Hindi alam ng asawa ko. From there, na-stop ako, na-stress ako. Kung yung kanina nasunugan na 1,000 USD, sir, congratulations, welcome to the club. The good thing is that walang magaling na trader na hindi numaan ng pagkatalo. Okay. Now, ano yung implication ko? Ang implication ko doon, yes, natuto na ako. Actually, yung danger is yung matuto ka na. Okay, yung kanina nag-answer ng number 2. Pero yung point doon is that, dati kasi, walang community, okay? Walang cheat codes, okay? Wala akong mentor, okay? So, walang nagsasabi sa, sariling sikap lang talaga yung pag-aaral ko. Kaya yung parang learning ko talaga sa forex trading, it takes years for me to understand about forex trading. Eventually, wrong broker, mahirap, but don't worry guys, meron tayong right broker for you. Eventually, what happened was, nag-stop ako sa forex trading. Last year, kakabalik ko lang, 2024, I came from a loss of the business. I was the CEO of the company with more than 50 employees. Naepektuhan yung negosyo ko post-pandemic, na-close yung negosyo ko. Now, naghahanap ako ng way kung paano maahon yung sarili ko sa financial crisis. Sino dito gustong maahon sa financial crisis? Sino dito gustong makabayad sa utang? Sino dito gusto magkaroon ng mas malaki yung income nila compared sa sahod nila? Guys, I want to be, pwede natin i-manifest kasi ang success is for those who really need it. Yun lang gusto talaga. Hindi to para sa lahat. Hindi to para sa, yun yung nangyari sa akin. I connect it to you. I understand you. Kasi gusto ko, naghahanap ako ng opportunity just like you. That's exactly the reason why you are here. That's exactly the reason why I am here. Kasi naghahanap ako ng opportunity na tinatawag natin na financial hack. Financial hack na pwede ako makabangon kaagad galing sa loss ko ng business. Okay. So yun yung nangyari sa akin. Thank you. Yung mga nag-manifest, yung mga comment, manifesting, mangyayari sa iyo yan. Kaya lang, mayroon akong doubt. Kaya meron akong doubt kasi hindi maganda yung experience ko sa forex trading. Okay, sino dito may doubt pa? That's normal. That's normal. That's a normal reaction. So what will happen to me is that mayroon akong kinausap na friend na regularly tinitinan ko yung post niya sa Facebook. Naging consistent yung trading niya. So I asked him, bro, I want to back to the trading game. Ano yung ginawa niyo? Bakit consistent siya? Bro, iba na yung trading ngayon. Napakabilis ng pangyayari. Ngayon kasi yung trading, bro, mayroon na siyang tinatawag na cheat codes. Oh, okay. Hindi pa rin ako naniwala kaagad. Naging skeptic pa rin ako. Naging may duda pa rin ako. So hindi ako naniwala. Kaya lang gusto ko talaga. Gusto ko talagang maahon. So not one day, nakita ko yung kaibigan ko na interview siya sa RDR Talks. Sino dito may alam kung sino si RDR Talks? This is a business podcast, guys. Na-realize ko na before pala siya bumalik sa forex trading, mayroon pala siyang utang. Doon na sa napanood ko sa RDR Talks, mayroon pala siyang utang na 26 million. At nabayaran niya dahil sa forex trading business. Bakit ko to sinasabi? Kasi maybe most of you gustong makabayad sa utang. Sino dito gusto makabayad sa utang? Thank you, manifesting. Bayaran natin yan. Kasi sa kanya, 26 million nga yung nabayaran niya. So napaisip ako. Sabi ko, let me get into this one. Magkano kailangan dyan? Kasi gusto ko rin makabayad sa utang. So, napaano ako? So, nag-start ako sa forex trading. So, ito yung nangyari sa akin, guys. August last year, nag-start ako sa forex trading business, guys. Yes, I want to be transparent with you that I'm not only doing forex trading. Now, if you are into the community, sino ba dito na sa community na, you can see every day, nagsisend ako ng results ko sa forex trading. Every day yan. Almost every day. Sometimes, twice, thrice a day, nakikita niyo yung result ko sa forex trading. Naging consistent siya because of sa cheat codes and strategies. But I want to be transparent with you that why also I'm doing this one because I have an tinatawag natin na affiliate. Okay, affiliate or parang rebate something if makapag send ako someone, invite someone to attend in forex trading. That's transparency. Kasi bakit ko ito ginagawa? Meron din akong kita sa ganyan. So, overall, for me, I see forex as a business. So, trading, affiliates, and so on. Pwede kong ituro sa inyo if you're really interested with that later on. So, what happened to me was, August last year, nag-start ako. December last year, di ba galing ako sa dalawang kotse ko, nabenta ko, bahay nabenta ko because I came from a biggest loss sa business. In short, bankrupt yung business ko. But eto, nagkaroon ng answered prayer kasi because of forex business, last year, December, bumili kami ng brand new Montero Sport. Now, this is not to brag. This is a proof and this is to inspiration na may pera sa forex trading kung siseryosohin mo. Sino dito gusto magkaroon ng parang gas-gas na, no? Brand new car. Actually, nasa labas, nasa parking. So, ito lang pinakita ko lang kasi parang sometimes inspiration is very powerful. Okay. Now, these are our cheat codes in forex trading. Okay, are you ready? Number 1, AI. Nowadays, AI. ChatGPT, Cursive, anything, AI. Okay, Canva, everything is AI. In Forex trading, meron ding AI, guys. Okay, meron ding AI. Dalawa yung AI natin, guys. Meron siyang pang-automatic talaga na wala ka nang gagawin. At meron siyang AI, guys, na tumutulong mag-scan ng market para sa'yo. Okay, ito yung picture niya, guys. So this one is advanced trading view. Synchronized din ito sa trading view. Pero mayroon siyang AI na tumutulong babasahin or i-interpret yung chart mo. Okay, now, okay. It makes sense kasi di ba newbie pa lang tayo, hindi natin alam kung paano basahin. Lalo na itong tinatawag natin ng mga patterns. Okay, patterns. So, si AI, siya yung mag-i-interpret. Okay, this one, ito na yung na-scan na. I scan a pattern, sabi niya. I scan a cipher patterns with M15 minutes. And then, this is my recommendation. When the price hits here, pumasok ka, entry ka ng sell position. Because the pattern shows or the AI tells you that the market will possibly go down. And then, nagbibigay siya ng signal kung kailan or kung saan yung TP1 mo or target 1 mo at target 2 mo. So, this is TP1. Ano ibig sabihin ng TP nga? Ano nga ibig sabihin? TP. So, nagbibigay siya at nagbibigay din siya ng stop loss. So, imagine if you're new in trading, hindi mo pa alam kung paano i-interpret yung market, pero na may AI na tumutulong sa iyo, magbabasa, mag-interpret ng patterns para sa iyo. How do you like it so far? Diba? Okay. So, ano yung basis dyan? Ang basis dyan, guys, is harmonic patterns. Alam na alam ko to because 2018, 2019 somehow, we use harmonic patterns in our trade. Kaya ang dinodraw namin, hindi namin alam kung accurate mo o hindi. So, harmonic patterns, guys, are very profitable patterns. You can research this one in Google. With over 70%, guys, yung success ratio niya. Or it could be more than that, up to 85% may mga patterns. Kaya lang, mahirap siya identify sa mga baguhan. Okay, but it's very accurate. So, solution dyan is mayroong AI na mag-i-scan ng pattern para sa'yo. Look at this example. Okay, especially if you answer ka kanina number 2, trader ka na, this is a very powerful tool for you. Look at this example. Nag-scan siya ng pattern. Okay, nag-scan siya ng pattern. And then, pag-scan niya yung pattern, this could be a bot pattern. Pag-scan niya yung pattern, nagsabi siya dito ka mag-entry. Okay, so nag-entry ka dito and the market is dalawang candle lang, na-hit na yung TP1. Ibig sabihin, cha-ching, kumita ka na. 1, 2, 3, another candle, M5 kasi, so 15 minutes lang, another 15 minutes, na-hit na rin yung another TP mo, kumita ka na. Ganun lang siya ka-simple. Okay, but I'm not saying you don't need to learn technical analysis. You still learn. But this one is a perfect tool for you kasi bago ka pa lang mag-stimula sa forex trading. Copy? Copy. Ang tawag nito is AI pattern scanner. Okay, this is our tools. Now, thank you, bro. Now, mayroon bang resulta? Alam ko na, di ba? Naghanap kayo ng resulta. By the way, guys, magpapakita ko ng resulta na walang reaction na. Ma-inspire kayo, o i-manifest nyo, or nagdududa kayo. So, depende sa iyo yan. Depende sa perspective mo. If I were you, i-manifest mo para mangyari sa iyo. Okay. This one. This one is the exact. What makes it special? Kasi yung trade niya talaga na screenshot niya. Ito yung nilabas ng AI pattern. TP1, TP2. From here, nakita natin, kumita siya ng dalawang TP, dalawang profitable trades. 621 USD and 681 USD. Ang total is 1,300 USD or sa isang trade na yon, that it could be 30 minutes trade or let's just say 1 day of trade. Kumita siya ng 70,000 pesos. Sinong gusto ng ganun? Okay, sinong gusto ng ganun? Kumita siya ng 70,000 pesos. Okay. Guys, another. I'm not saying that this is every day, but this is a one-day profit of one of my mentor. Kumita siya ng 238. Guys, one day sa forex trading. I know. Sometimes it's unbelievable. Lalo na kung hindi ka pa sanay na kumita ng ganito. Pero sa mga taong sanay na, parang normal na lang ito sa kanila. In fact, mayroon pang kasunod nito. Okay, ito pala yung mentor ko. Dating OFW, seafarer or seaman. And guess what? Siyempre, hindi na siya nagtrabaho at nag-i-enjoy na lang siya, nagtutour over the world kasi pwede nga siyang mag-travel in a business class. Kasi paging profitable siya, yung the last time you check, sabi niya, punta ako sa Dubai, nagtitrade siya para sa pamasahe niya for gusto niya kasi dalhin yung girlfriend niya, nag-business class sila. So ito yung trade. Isang wait. This one is the, ibig sabihin, pending pa ito, tumatakbo pa. So, upon the video, ito is nag-TP na. So, can you just imagine, guys? You're very excited. You're about to TP. You're about to take profit ng 4,000 USD or 200,000. Wow, grabe. Of course, this is not instant. We're just showing it to you. Anong posibleng mangyari sa iyo. Okay? The last time we met was March. And then we trade. And ito nakita ko mismo yung resulta. Mismo sa cellphone niya, nag-profit siya ng 3,856 or 222,000. Another profitable trade for him. Bro, it's not lucky. It's decision making. It's decision making. Okay. So, we also have AI pattern scanner, guys. Ang tawag nito, Wheel Builder. Okay. So, ito naman is fully automated. Okay, fully automated. Ito is, wala ka nang gagawin talaga. But maliit lang yung gain nito, guys. Kaya, I don't recommend na itong gagawin mo. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede naman. Another thing, guys, is we have an app in the cellphone, another tool, na mayroong mga master traders, magbibigay sila ng signal. Okay, ito. Bibigay sila ng signal. Solex. Okay. Exclusive lang ito sa community. So, mayroong mga expert traders, matatagal na sa financial market, matatagal na sa forex trading, 15 years in the industry. One of my mentors is mag-20 years sa industry. So, magbibigay sila there ng signal. This is legit and VIP premium signals, guys. Okay, magbibigay sila. Ang gagawin mo lang, pwede mo siyang i-copy-paste doon sa trade mo. Or manual copy trading ang tawag. Okay. So that's another cheat codes, guys. That's number 2 cheat codes. So this is good for those who are new. But I am not saying hindi aralin. Kasi actually, yung pangatlong cheat code, guys, is yung academy. Dapat aralin mo. Bakit? If you want long-term result in forex trading, dapat aralin mo. So meron tayong basic, meron tayong advanced, and then meron tayong master class. Okay? So ito yan. Ideal for OFW kasi web-based siya. Anong ibig sabihin? You can watch, you can attend training at your convenient time kung kailan ka available o bakante. Kasi web-based siya. Pwede mong i-play, pwede mong i-review anytime. Okay? Anytime. So meron tayong advanced dyan, meron tayong basic, and meron din tayong crypto, and meron din tayong stocks or stock market. Okay? Now, in our community, this is bonus. In our community, if you join with our community, mayroon tayong tinatawag na chart mastery. Itong chart mastery is teaching you about technical analysis because this is the best way para tataas yung win rate mo. Imagine meron kang tools plus meron kang kaalaman. So bonus lang ito. This kind of training, binabayaran to ng 30,000 tatlong araw na session. 30,000 pesos tatlong araw. But sa community to, bonus lang natin to. Another cheat code, guys, is meron tayong access sa isang master scalper na magte 20 years na sa market. Every night, 9:30 p.m. PH time. PH time na lang yung reference natin kasi iba-iba yung country. So ito convert natin lahat, matatagalan tayo. 9:30 p.m. PH time or US opening session or New York opening session. Ang gagawin mo lang, sasabay ka sa trade niya. Papakita niya yung setup mo. And if you're already a trader, guys, I tell you, you miss because me, nagtitrade na ako. Dami ko pala hindi alam. Dami ko talaga natutunan sa kanya. Lalo na sa scalping. And now, I find my place in scalping. And I'm only trading 15 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na yun yung time mo. Kasi syempre kung bago ka pa lang, you need to at least 1 hour para aralin. Pero kung marunong ka na or na-master ka na, yun lang yung kailangan mo para sa scalping. Copy? So, meron kang access sa kanya. So, paano mo ma-access yung mga cheat codes? Kailangan mo, by the way, this is a results.
Oh my God, magbabay na dapat, magbabay na.
Looks like this one, guys. Magsasabi siya, maglalagay siya ng setup, support and resistance. Pinaka-basic naman talaga, importante sa lahat ng strategy, support resistance. Sasabi niya, pag mag-break away, eto na. Eto, trade tayo. Here, buy, dito, sell tayo. Parang ganun. So, ito yung mga results niya. These are my personal results, which every day, yung kanina, if you are in the GC, message me, isa-send ko sa yung result ko sa trade ko kanina. Okay. So, ito yung 4 cheat code, guys. Ma-access mo, guys, if you enroll in a formal class. Yes. Please understand that everything is business and it takes a lot of thousands of money also to create those cheat codes na pwede mong ma-access at the power of your cell phone. Okay. So, formal Forex class will takes you 70,000 to 150,000. Sino ba dito nakapag-attend na ng mahal na training? Okay. Mahal naman talaga yung formal training talaga sa Forex trading. Okay. Mamaya, by the way, mag-ano ako ng Q&A. Okay. Let me just continue. Magbibigay ako ng time for Q&A. Okay. So, formal Forex training, guys, is mahal yan. So, pero kapag nag-enroll ka sa academy natin, ma-access mo yung mga cheat codes na yan. Okay, hindi masyadong mahal yan. So magkano ba sa economy natin, I mean sa Iconic natin, o magkano ba sa natin sa academy? Okay, guys, ito yung enrollment. Enrollment option number 1, Platinum 999, 1 year, 6 months, 645. Guys, huwag niyo muna tingnan yung gastos. Tingnan mo lang if ever interested ka. Are you interested? Can you drop number 1 if ever? Wag mo lang tingnan yung gastos. Are you interested? Kung mayroon kang budget, thank you. Thank you. Like I said, guys, it's not for everyone. Success is for action takers and for risk takers. I'm not saying you're not successful, but maybe this is not your thing. Or maybe if you're interested, you can write. Ang makukuha mo dyan is yung AI trading, AI pattern scanner, ECA, VIP signals, and live sessions. Yun yung makukuha mo. But, guys, kung namamahalan ka, 1 year mo yan, 1 year na pag-aaral. Kung namamahalan ka, guys, take a look at our competitor. Our competitor will offer you 1,499 academy alone lang. Academy. Sa atin, meron tayong mga AIs, meron tayong mga tools, VIP signals, live sessions, okay, yung access, plus meron pa tayong bonus, chart mastery, itong technical analysis, guys, technical analysis pa lang, bawi ka na, okay, VIP community, by the way, guys, yung lahat ng mga bonus na ito is Tagalog, ito English, ito Tagalog, okay, so chart mastery is Tagalog, VIP community, so upon enrollment, isasama ka, i-add kita dun sa VIP community that most of those are pareho sa experience mo. Newbie, kakapasok pa lang din. So, pwede kang magtanong in case hindi ka ma-reply ka agad ng coach mo because marami tayong coach within my inner circle. Then, meron tayong tinatawag na group coaching every Friday. Kanina, katatapos lang yung group. Then, meron tayong ibibigay na strategy para mabilis kang matuto. Okay? So, yan. In our competitor, 1,499 or 1,799. Ours is only 9,900. Mura pa rin. But sino dito gustong mas mura pa? Who wants na mas mura pa? Mas gusto ko niya pang a little bit, I think, cost effective. Or let's just say, a little bit cheaper. Okay. A little bit cheaper, guys. Eto, good news. You can start right now. Payment option with only 199. 199 or 179, depending which country are you. Okay. This one is the same, depende sa country. Okay. So, lahat meron ka pa rin. AI, Patri Scanner, ECA, same. Same kanina, bonus same din. Anong difference? Dito, yung access mo dito is 1 month. Kanina, yung access mo doon is 1 year. Okay. Now, I still believe this is still better compared sa mag-enroll ka ng course na 3-day course or 1 week or 5-day course. 1 month is still better. Copy? And then if you want to continue, you can. Okay. Mayroon siyang monthly subscription ng 146 or dito 129. It's optional if you want to continue. But kung ang goal mo dito maging profitable ka for 1 month, yun yung goal natin. Meron tayong 30-day roadmap na kung i-follow mo lang talaga, 2 weeks lang matuto ka na. 1 month naging profitable ka na. And I give you bonus. Okay. Guys, I'll give bonus and let's do Q&A. Okay. Sino gusto ng bonus? Guys, bonus since you're joining, I will let you join to our community, ang tawag natin GC and Facebook group for free. Pero walang access sa cheat code, guys, pero makapag-start ka na from there. Okay? Ang gagawin mo, even if hindi ka mag-enroll, even if hindi ka magbayad, gusto mo lang mag-explore, gusto mo lang matuto, okay? Even hindi ka magbayad, I will let you join for a community for free. As bonus, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-reply ka lang sa person na nagbigay ng link sa iyo tonight. Ulitin ko, mag-reply ka sa Messenger. This is instruction. Mag-reply ka sa Messenger kasi we cannot add you from here in Zoom. Iba yung pangalan mo, 100% yan. Iba sa Messenger. So you need to reply. The password is I joined the webinar. Either a Facebook page or a person na nagbigay ng link sa iyo tonight. Bakit ka naka-join tonight? Kasi may nagbigay ng link. Mag-reply ka sa kanya. Facebook page or mag-reply ka. I joined the webinar and they will give you an instructions on how to be part of the GC. Kasi sa GCs, meron kaming free weekly training sa inyo. And even if you don't enroll, bibigyan ka rin namin ng guide kung paano pa kapag-create ng account. Done. So meron tayong face-to-face community for OFW. Alam naman natin, malalayo tayo lahat. We have Zoom regular. We have Zoom. We have weekly training for you. My good news is next week, Thursday and Friday, kung nakasama na kayo sa GC, we will have a 2-day free training for you. Ang tawag dyan, 2-day challenge. 2-day challenge, sa 2 days na yan, ang goal namin is that after sa 2 days na yan, marunong ka nang mag-execute ng trade. And good news, you can avail it for free as long as you're part of the community. Okay? So if you want to join the community, okay, by the way, nag-join sa community, guys, 66 years old na ngayon, 67 na. Anong ibig sabihin? Hindi techie, hindi mahilig sa computer, pero kumita, willingness. Actually, this one is pang-5 cent na niya sa akin ito. Consistently, regularly kumikita 100 to 200 USD per day. Si Sir Eman, 67 years old na ngayon. Okay? Ito yung result niya, guys, sa trade niya. Isang araw. 200, guys, 10,000. Not bad. Resign na siya eh. Retire na siya. Ito na yung income niya ngayon. Okay. Lately, nagkita kami. This month na nakita kami. The same city si kami, Cagayan de Oro. Nakita kami. So medyo pumogi na si Tito na kasi naging close na kami. Pinakita niya sa akin itong latest withdrawal niya. Nag-withdraw siya ng 750 and nag-withdraw siya ng 888. Mayroong meaning sa kanya ito eh. And then pinakita niya sa akin yung bagong laptop na binili niya because the result is forex trading. Guys, listen up. What's my point? My point is, alam ko, ang kontra natin dito, guys, hindi kapital. Ang enemy natin dito, guys, is yung duda kung kaya mo ba. Kaya mayroong community, kaya mayroon tayong cheat code, mayroong strategy, ay bibigay sa inyo kung nakayanan ng isang 67 years old. Walang dahilan na hindi mo makayanan. Kung maniniwala ka lang. Marami actually, guys. Mayroon nga from Canada. Guys, from Canada. Nag-start siya 3 days pag live. We don't recommend na pag enroll ninyo mag-live ka agad. We recommend demo account. Okay, demo account. But demo, natuto na siya when he started demo account, 3 days lang, yung 100 niya naging 1,000. And this is the screenshot. 1,000 kasi Canadian. Medyo maliit yung Canadian ko sa US. This is the proof na na-withdraw niya yung kinita niya na profit. Actually guys, marami yan. OFW from Dubai, 4 hours, nag-trade siya, kumita siya 744 or 42 pesos in 4 hours trading. Okay. Ito, bago to. My first withdrawal around 2 weeks. In just 2 weeks after joining our community, 21,900 or nakumita siya. Then this one is another after a few days, 400. So guys, even if you start with 199 on 179, ito pa lang, bawing-bawi na. Bawing-bawi na siya sa trade. Bakit mabilis? Kasi may cheat codes. Alright? So ito yung 2-day challenge guys. This Thursday and Friday. And hindi ka maka-join, meron tayong record. Still ibibigay natin sa VIP community. Don't forget to reply, I joined the webinar kasi dito magsisimula yung trading journey mo at i-guide namin kayo kung paano magsimula. Now, let's go with question and answer portion. Please. Okay. Let's go with Q&A. I'll just give me 10 minutes, 5 minutes for Q&A and then we're good to go. Para makapagpahinga na lahat. Okay. Magtatapon ba ng signal sa community? Yes. Mayroon tayong dedicated app na tinatawag na Solex na yung mga traders magbibigay ng premium legit signals doon. Especially gold. Okay. Especially XAU USD. Okay. Other questions? Common questions. Magkano kailangan? Capital. Good questions. Magkano kailangan capital? Ang una mong gamitin, ano po yung broker suggested nyo? We recommend VT Markets. Okay. And guys, if interested kayo, kahit hindi pa kayo mag-enroll, basta nag-reply kayo ng I joined the webinar, mag-ask sa kanya, pwede bang tulungan mo ako or bigyan mo ako ng step-by-step tutorial paano makapag-create ng account? We will give you. It's free. We just wanna help you. Gusto lang namin makapag-start kayo kahit hindi pa kayo mag-enroll. Pero wag mo muna kayo mag-trade. Okay? Demo muna. Okay. So, good question. Magkano kailangan mo capital? Guys, ang pinaka-importanting capital mo dito is karunungan. Kasi kahit mayroon kang 500 USD, 1,000 USD, kung hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, pwedeng masunog yung pera mo. Okay. So kaya, how to start? Okay. And how to enroll? Good question. First things first, how to start? Mag-reply ka ng I joined the webinar. Or i-message mo yung taong nagbigay ng link sa'yo, sabihin mo, pwede bang i-guide mo ako to create an account para makapag-start ako? Okay. Another thing, if you're really interested at you want to bring your learnings into next level, mag-enroll ka. Kasi yung enrollment mo is only below 200 USD or it's just like 10,000 pesos para hindi masayang yung capital mo. So after you enroll, mag-aral ka 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Depende how fast and yung time na ginugugol mo. And then you start demo. Ulitin ko, huwag ka munang magkapital. Okay. I will po, sobrang mura kasi masusunog capital ko. Yes, tama. Kung may capital ka, let's just say mayroon kang pera, 500 USD, at hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo to, pwede siyang masunog kasi hindi mo alam. Okay. Ask ko lang po, I'm willing to share this to my friends. Is there any bonus? Yes, meron. Pero kailangan mo mag-enroll para ma-reveal ko sa iyo, just like what I do. Meron akong referral dito. Right now, it's almost 1 p.m. or 1 p.m. in the Philippines. Gising pa ako. Bakit ito ginagawa? Of course, di ba? The business is good. Okay. More knowledge pa po. Next na lang yung capital. Don't worry. More knowledge, bro. Mag-reply ka, I joined the webinar kasi magbibigay kami ng mga free trainings doon and free results. Okay. 175 ang enrollment. Yes, 175. I want to start at matuto. Matuto muna. Tama yan. I want mag for good sa Pilipinas. Tama yan. Guys, this is the best business you can start kasi control mo. Kasi pwede mong gawin habang nandyan ka. Kasi pwedeng gamit mo lang. Guys, I tell you, digital business or financial market, guys, this is your hack ng financial success. Anong ibig sabihin ng hack? Pwede mong bilisan. Ako nga glory to God. Thank you. Salamat sa Panginoon. Nakapag-recover ako because of this one. Is it easy? Not, I'm saying to you, it's not easy because of each cheat codes. It would be easier. Okay. And because of the community, it would be easier. May kasama ka. And because of the live sessions, strategies na ibibigay, ito. Okay. Ito ang pinakamadaling gawin to stop poverty. Yes. Tama ho yan. Learn po. Thank you po. Sobrang sulit. Thank you po sharing. Siguro nag-enroll na ito. Sobrang sulit daw yung 179 niya. Mas mainam na po ito kasi may ganito na ngayon. Dati I replied to broker na scammer. Kasi guys, may mga broker na nagpapanggap na broker pero scammer pala. So, sa community, pwede kang magtanong, guys, okay ba ito? Okay. Guys, red flag yan. Huwag kang pumasok. Ito na experience ko. So, mayroon ka ng reference ngayon. Na tama ba itong action mo o hindi? Sa community itself pa lang sulit na. Gusto kong sumali, wala akong kapital. Normal lang yan. Normal lang yan. Learn ka muna, explore muna. Actually, sa totoo lang, hindi yung rason yung pera. Ano yung rason? Ano yung rason? Kasi kung sasabihin ko sa iyo yung 10,000 mo, papalitan ko ng 1 million, papayag ka ba? Yes, papayag ka. At maghahanap ka ng 10,000. Paano yung rason? It's okay. If you're not yet ready, mag-join ka lang sa community, aralin mo muna, explore, no worries, I consider. Considered po ba kayo as broker? No. I'm not a broker. I am a Forex coach and a community coach, a founder of the community. Broker must be dapat regulated. May mga lisensya sila sa iba't ibang bansa. Okay, yung broker natin may mga lisensya. Meron akong nasalihan 1K investment. Yun mga ganyan klase. 100% yan. 100% scam yan. Kaya if I were you, dito ka na, matuto ka na sa Forex trading. Okay? So guys, this Saturday bukas, kung mag-enroll ka bukas, mayroon tayong strategies. This is exclusive sa dun sa mga nag-enroll naman. Meron tayong high precision scalping strategy na tinatawag na XAO Sniper. Itong mga strategy na ito, tinuturo namin sa mga estudyante. Bakit? It will take time to develop a strategy and it will take money para mag-test ng strategy. Okay. Ito mga klaseng strategy na ito, inaaral to at least 3 months, 6 months, yung iba nga 1 year or more. Pero para hindi ka na matalagalan, magbibigay kami ng strategy, i-master mo ito, i-follow mo ito. Of course, you can create your own strategy. But like I said, guys, yung capital mo hindi mo pwedeng paglaruan. Okay. 1 month lang, sir, yes. Okay. Tapos 999 1 year. Tapos kung gusto mo mag-continue, you can add optional. Kung gusto mong mag-continue. Kahit lang i-focus mo lang for within 3 months or 1 month lang muna. 1 month to 3 months. And then after that, naging profitable ka ng 500 USD, nag-profit ka ng 1,000 USD, bang, bawi ka na. Kasi at tama yung ginawa mo, inuna mo yung karunungan mo. Para saan naman yung 199, 179, same lang yan. Pero kung sa first world countries ka, ang bayad mo 199. In Philippine ka, ang bawag mo 117. Pero may sikreto dyan. Kailangan mo lang ipiliin yung in-enroll, kailangan mo piliin yung Philippine flag para may discount ka na 179. Okay? Okay. Guys, questions. Ito po yung mga results natin ng XAO Sniper. Bukas ituturo namin ito. Okay. So, scalping din ito para this is ideal for OFW kasi para hindi mataas yung time mo sa pag-trade. Okay? So, ito yung mga results ng kasama natin sa community. Kung talagang siseryosohin mo ito, guys, I'll tell you, bawing-bawi ka kung talagang seryosohin mo ito. Kaya ba ito? Yes, kaya. Pinakita ko sa iyo, hindi lang isa, hindi 3, hindi 5, 10, more than that yung nakaresulta, hindi kasama yung, kasi kung ilalagay ko dito lahat, abutin tayo ng umaga. Ano yung point ko, guys? Mayroon ng resulta, mayroon ng sistema, mayroon ng community, mayroon ng sikreto, cheat codes. Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-action ka lang. Kasi this is for action takers. Okay, this is for action takers. So, kaya ba to? Yes, because I believe. Sino dito nananalig? Tama ba yung term ko? Sino dito yung, kumbaga, na alam mo na yung Pilipino talaga is matatalino? Maniniwala. Ako naniniwala ako na ang Filipino talaga matatalino. Kayang-kaya ito ng mga Filipino. Kaya lang yung iba hindi matyaga. Dito, kailangan mo talaga tyagaan. Siyempre, nagtsatsaga ka nga. Ilang years kang nagtrabaho sa boss mo. Hindi mo ba tinagaan yun? Tinagaan mo. Ito is lalaya ka sa kahirapan. Hindi mo ba tsatsagaan? It's up to you. Kasi binibigay lang namin dito yung opportunity. Bibigay lang namin dito yung way para mapabilis yung hack, yung financial pag nag-enroll ka, of course, mataas yung chance mo. Okay? Sige. Sir, gusto ko din kami mag-enroll at gusto ko mag-trading. Wala po kaming signal na nare-receive. Parang we were on your own. Tama po ba? Tama. Kung di kami bro, it's business. Okay? It's business. So, ganun naman talaga. If you really want. So, at least may mga trainings kayo sa community. But kung gusto mo yung cheat codes, it comes with a price. Lahat naman. Gusto mo umabroad, it comes with a price. Gusto mo magka-negosyo, it comes with a price. Kailangan magkapital. Sir, pwede ba peso? Yes, pwede. Peso naman talaga lahat. Around 10,000 pesos. Peso naman talaga. You don't need I enroll. Congratulations, Mac Jones. You enroll. Yes, that's true. So, cheat codes are the signals. Isa doon ang signals. Isa doon. Okay, I will enroll. Thank you. How? Uulitin ko. Just reply, I joined the webinar. Doon sa person or Facebook page na nagbigay sa iyo ng link. Copy? Copy? Guys, I think we're done. We're now running out of time. I know you're busy. I'm also busy. Nonetheless, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Coach Nars here. Thank you for joining. And kita-kita tayo sa GC. God bless you all. Ingat po kayo dyan. And to God be the glory. Paalam sa lahat. See you in our GC, guys. See you in our GC.
Coach, hello po.
Yes, bro.
Ano ulit po yung type sa chat box? I joined the webinar.
I joined the webinar.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome po. Welcome po. Ingat po. Ingat po.